Hey, this is Marius with a quick team update. As you may know, Facebook is currently blocking the affiliate link from Earn Easy Commissions. So what I did is I set up a splash page that you can use in Facebook in order to promote Earn Easy Commissions. And it looks something like this. Okay, this link's currently not being blocked. Now the full URL is this here. Now you may find this link above or below this video, but as you can see, you need to go ahead and replace this username with your username. Now in order to find your unique username, log into the back office of Earn Easy Commissions, head on over to Edit Profile. Then here you'll find your unique link. Now I want you to have a look at the very end of the unique link. You'll see your unique username. In this case, it's GetIt, which is mine. Now, yours will be something else. So make a note of this username, go back to the link that I've provided, and change this to your unique username. Now, this is the link that you can go ahead and post on Facebook. Now, please don't go ahead and spam this link. Only use it or only send it to people who have shown interest. Don't go ahead and paste it in 5,000 of those Make Money Online groups. Instead, I'll show you a method that I use with a lot of success on how to post on Facebook. Now, head on over to your Facebook account, and on a wall post, you can type something. I've just added something along the lines of free members earn $1 per email and $100 per upgrade. Full training provided. If interested, say yes. Now, this is just an example. Feel free to use your own wording, and you can also go ahead and change the appearance. Make it this or that or anything to your liking. Let's take that one for example. Also, if you want to spice it up a bit, you can add symbols. Now the link to the symbol page is also above or below this video. This is what it looks like. You can go ahead and you can find anything you like. I like to use this. Just click on it. Go back to your post. Right click. Paste. Add another one. Let's say smiley. Click on it, go back, add it, click on where you want to add it, right click, paste. And that's it. Once you're done, go ahead, click on post. Then if people comment on your post, just send them the link, which the new link, the easy500perday.com link. Make sure you add your unique username to the end. It'll go through and work. Another thing, just a quick tip, is when you do a wall post, please make sure that you do not use words like or comment. Those are spam words seen by Facebook, and it'll have a negative impact on your reach. That's basically that which I'd like to share with you now. Please, in the next couple of days, I'll be sending an update in regards to a paid traffic option, which I'm currently working on, trying to find a special pricing for members. So please have a look at your email account, your inbox, for any emails from me. Another thing is, I see a lot of you haven't joined my Facebook group. The link again will be either below or above this video. Make sure that you join the group to get these updates a lot quicker. Anyway, you have a great day. All the best. Bye-bye.